welcome to the Javier Technical Training Center Corporation Accredited Training Assessment Center of DESDA for Massage Therapy NC2. Before we proceed, let me introduce myself to all of you. I am Menchi Damiano, and I am Accredited Competency Assessor for Massage Therapy NC2. I would like to give acknowledgement to the presence of Ms. Sheila May Cruz, the AC Manager. Good morning, ma'am. Ms. Fatima Dakanay, the Processing Officer, and Ms. Diana Clado, our TESDA representative. Good morning, ladies. Everyone, just to inform you, the AC Manager, Processing Officer, and TESDA representative are here to oversee how this assessment will be conducted, and they will check if the assessment is in accordance of prescribed competency assessment, methodology, and procedure. They will not going to assess you because I will be the one to do that. So let's have a prayer first. Amen. Everyone, we will now proceed with the checking of the attendance. I will call you one by one, and once you are called, you have to come in front and show the ID as a proof that you are the one who will take the assessment. And it will be the same with the admission slip. You must sign in the attendance sheet and must present your admission slips, and I will be collecting it afterwards. Miss Rose Ann Trinidad, come in front, please. Thank you. Miss Angelique Saldivar. Thank you. I have here now your accomplice at application form and self-assessment guide. It is the indication that you already know and you are able to perform the assessment in all units of competency in massage therapy NC2. Again, welcome to Javier Technical Training Center Corporation, Accredited Training Assessment Center of DESDA for Massage Therapy NC2. The purpose of our assessment for Massage Therapy NC2 is to determine the level of your competency in this specialization. And now, I will be administering the competency assessment for Massage Therapy NC2. The qualification of this program is composed of basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies. The core competencies are the steps and procedure of conducting a massage and the proper way of positioning the hands, posture of the body, and the different strokes in massage. The tasks to be performed for Massage Therapy NC2 are the following. First, prepare the tools and equipments before proceeding with the massage. Second, should be able to talk with the clients about their conditions, symptoms, and also medical histories. Third, evaluate clients' painful areas of their body. Fourth, should be able to position the hands and the proper body posture before massaging. And last, should be able to use the appropriate strokes and the techniques depending on the condition of your client. We will collect and gather evidences through the demonstration, oral questioning, and written test. And to determine your knowledge and skills in massage therapy NC2, the assessment method we will be using will be the written test, demonstration, and also the oral questioning. This assessment method helps to measure your underpinning knowledge and skills. Our laboratory is located at the end of the hallway in the left corner. You can take your meal at our canteen located at the first floor, and the restroom are located at the back of our assessment sites. You must do everything you need as soon as possible because we will start the assessment. You're no longer allowed to leave the premises. If you have difficulty in understanding the given instruction, do not hesitate to inform me. We are willing to translate it for you. If you have problem in writing your answer during the written test, don't be shy to approach us, and we will accept your answers verbally. If you need anything that can be barrier to assess you, approach and let us know that. If you have any questions, you can ask us now. If there is more you need to clarify, we will clarify it to you right away so you can know the flow of our assessment. We are willing to accommodate all your questions, but once the assessment started, you are no longer allowed to ask questions. And if you experience problem during the assessment, you can call my attention so we can address it immediately. If you have any questions about the assessment results, You have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to the provincial office where the assessment center and assessors are located and accredited. The issuance of National Certificate or NC of Competency, the AC manager will inform you where you can claim your nation certificate within 5 working days of the assessment. After knowing the result of your assessment and it appeared that you are not yet competent, we can still reassess you anytime. If the reassessment is for a full qualification, you must go through the entire assessment process. If you are deemed competent in some units of competency, the reassessment will concentrate on the areas where you are not yet competent. You will be encouraged to take a refresher course before asking for reassessment if you fail 2 assessments in a row. Please observe safety as you perform the various tasks during the actual assessment. Make sure to check all electrical equipment. Use proper mechanics when lifting heavy equipment to avoid accidents, and call my attention to immediate address and provide first aid, as well as the first aid located in the back cabinet. We maintain strict secrecy for the assessment's findings and results. In order to protect your integrity, the results must be available only to authorized people and the institution where you perform your actual training. To ensure that the assessment package's integrity is maintained, it is kept in a secure location. If you don't have any questions or need any clarification, I'll hand you a copy of the precise instructions. Please read them carefully, and if you have any problems, you may ask me right now. Also, if you need to translate some terms or sentences, we'll be happy to do so and assist you. I'll give you the assigned number right now. This one is for you, ma'am. And this one is for you, ma'am. So I will hand out the written test right now, and you only have 15 minutes to complete it, okay? So it is possible to begin right now. Miss Rose Ann. Miss Angelique, please sit here. Thank you.
Assessor should only monitor the time while the candidates are taking the test.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you may go back to your seat. I believe that everyone is ready at this point. Therefore, applicant number 1, Ms. Rose Ann, please proceed to the evaluation area. Kindly wait for my signal before dialing your number. Thank you very much.
Conduct assessment in accordance to methodologies specified in the evidence plan and the specific instruction for the competency assessor. Implement the evidence gathering process and ensure its validity, reliability, fairness, and flexibility. Observe the candidate and keep notes of the candidate's performance during the entire conduct of assessment. These notes will be used for the provision of feedback to the candidate's aspirant. After the demonstration, the candidates will be asked a series of questions regarding the assessment. Record on rating sheet the detail of evidence collected and judgments about the candidate's performance.
Hi, Ms. Rose Ann. So I have a question for you. How do you feel about the assessment?
To be honest, I am confident in my ability to demonstrate the process, and I am certain that I answered all of the questions during oral and written tests.
Thank you, Ms. Rose Ann, for your answer. So based on my observation, you performed well in the assessment. And the written test revealed that you have sufficient understanding of massage therapy and C2. Now, I'd like to congratulate you on a job well done, and I discovered that you are already competent. Please sign the competency results summary. Thank you. In the issuance of the national certificate, the AC manager will inform you where you can claim your national certificate after 5 working days. Again, I want to congratulate you. Thank you, Ms. Rose Ann. Good morning, Ms. Angelique. So I have a question for you. What are your thoughts regarding the assessment?
To be honest, I'm still anxious since I don't know some of the essential details when it comes to correctly using the tools and equipment.
Oh, really? Do you think you'll do a good job if ever we'll give you another chance to perform the competency?
Yes.
Another question for you, Miss Saldivar. What have you taken away from these sessions?
I've learned that I need to improve my knowledge and skills to be competent.
So, Miss Saldivar, you answered all of my questions and you did a great job on the demonstration. You did miss one thing in properly applying the massage stroke, but you were still able to complete the work. You also answered them correctly in the written test. So, according to my observation, throughout the evaluation, you are not yet qualified and we can review you at any moment. So, Ms. Saldivar, if you have any concerns about the assessment's outcome, you have the right to appeal to the provincial office where the assessment facility and the assessors are accredited. You may now sign the result of the competency evaluation. So, do you have any questions? Alright, then thank you.
The assessor may now pass the cards to the AC manager, processing officer, and to the TESTA representative.